Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Is your microphone not working on your Mac? Whether you are using Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meet, Discord or any other app, a microphone issue can be frustrating. In this video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on Mac. Let's get started. The most common reason a microphone does not work is that the app does not have permission to access it. For that, click on this Apple menu. Now click on System Preferences. Now you can see here Security and Privacy. Click on it. Now you can see here 4 categories: General, File Vault, Firewall and Privacy. Select the Privacy tab. Now here scroll down and you can see here microphone on the left sidebar. Now select the app which you want to give access of microphone. Then it will accessible for you. And if the app is not taken, click on this lock at the bottom. Then provide your Mac password here. Then click on unlock. Now just tick that app you want to give permission of microphone, and that's it. Now test your microphone again. Now let's come to method 2. If multiple microphones are connected, your Mac may be using the wrong one. For that, click on this Apple menu, go on System Preferences again. Now you can see here Sound. Click on it. Now here you can see 3 categories: sound effects, output and input. Just click on input and from here select the mic. If you are using an internal microphone, just select that internal built-in microphone. And if you are using an external microphone, just select it from here. If the input level moves, your microphone is working properly. You can see here the input level. Whenever I am speaking, the input level is moving. You can see here. Now let's come to method 3. Sometimes the microphone volume is simply too low. For that, again go on System Preferences. Again go on Sound. From here at this select input category and you can see here the input volume. Just increase the input volume to a higher level. Test the microphone again. That's it. And the another method is update your Mac OS. Running an outdated version of Mac OS may cause compatibility issues. For that, click on this Apple menu, go on About this Mac. You can see here Software Update, click on it. Now if you have any updates here, update it and again restart your Mac and check your microphone it is working or not. And the last method is check for physical problems. Dust blocks the microphone holes, damaged cables, loose connections and hardware damage from drops or liquid exposure. Cleaning the microphone area carefully can sometimes solve the issue. So that's how you can fix a microphone that's not working on a Mac. Start by checking permissions and audio settings. Then move on to updates and system fixes if needed. One of these solutions should get your microphone working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.